Burnt out incandescent light bulb downstairs. This is either, oh, that's convenient, a bunch of bulbs right here. This is either the 4th or the 5th of the original bulbs to burn out. The original bulbs that I installed when I first put in this lighting circuit. I've just lost track at this point. If it's the 5th, then it's the last of the originals. Either way, this one has lasted much longer than the others. I haven't changed a bulb down here in a couple months, I think. And like last time, there's a haze. I think that haze was there and I just never cleaned it. I think the haze was there when these were new. But it does make a significant difference. So let's go ahead and wash this. I think so that the haze is on the inside. Okay, that's much better now. This is an inside, stupid net over there. This is an inside frosted appliance bulb, 40 watts. I think those look really cool in these fixtures, but I don't think I have any more of those on hand. Now, all the appliance bulbs I have are regular. Okay, so this is the one that burnt out. This was a 29 watts, 400 lumens. You know, in the back of my mind I said this is a bad idea because I bet the shade is going to break before the bulb does. The shade broke before the bulb did. And the stupid bulb will not break. Now I gotta buy a new shade. More money to spend. Well, for now it's just going to be busted. Because it doesn't have to be vapor tight. But I'll have to get it fixed because that looks ridiculous. I don't know why these dumb bulbs are so strong. I was hoping that would be funny, and I guess it probably was to the people that don't have to buy a new shade now. But it's not very funny to me, because that's going to cost a lot of money to get this fixed. And I just wasted a lot of time cleaning it for nothing.